So you're going to look for books, and we have some guides here. We use the Library of Congress here, and so if you look in this section, E61.F starts here, History of the Americas, Native Americans. Look under this guide, it says United States History, Colonial American History, American Revolution. On over here, you can see U.S. History, Civil War, Reconstruction, Spanish-American War. Then also here, U.S. History, Regional History, and Texas History. So if you're looking for books, you might just pull yourself right down the line here and look around. For example, you want to do some studies here on Theodore Roosevelt. I mean, here's a great book here to get you started, just as a place to do some brainstorming. If you want to just look through, read through the stacks. I have a lot of students that like to write about Kennedy, and you've got a whole section here on Kennedy. To go back on this other side, where it says Civil War, Reconstruction, Spanish-American War, we have some fantastic books here. If you look, just grab one of these here. There's one on Garfield. Here's on Modern America. You can look on down. There's Gettysburg, if you're really interested in this sort of thing. Lincoln is also a very popular topic. So take a look through these and just grab one. And if you'll see, some of these have a little tag on them. It tells you that they are selected, especially because they have some interest in diversity studies. So we'll keep those handy as well. So always look for those little tags to give you sort of a heads up if you're looking for something in that particular area. Okay, give it a shot.